Hazrat Abu Shuraih radiyallahu anhu has reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that blood must not be shed here. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said on the day of conquest of Makkah, there is no migration now, but only holy war and intention. When you are called to come out to fight a holy war, you must come out. For Allah Jalla Jalaluhu made this city sacred on the day He created the heavens and the earth, and it is a sanctuary till the day of resurrection on account of the sanctity conferred on it by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. To wage a war in it was not made lawful for anyone before me, nor was made lawful for me except for an hour of one day. So it is sacred on account of sacredness conferred on it by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Its thorn must not be looped, nor must its game be molested, nor must its vine be picked up, but to publicly announce it, nor must its grass be mowed. Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, except for idkhir, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, for it is useful for our blacksmiths and the houses. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, okay, except idkhir. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1834.